Nothing in the world is permanent, and we are foolish when we ask anything to last. But surely we are still more foolish not to take delight in the while we have it. William Somerset Maugham.
Now, here we present the life story of William Somerset Maugham. William Somerset Maugham, English novelist, playwright, and short story writer whose work is characterized by a clear and on style, cosmopolitan settings, and a shrewd understanding of human nature. Both his father and grandfather were lawyers. His father handled legal affairs of the British Embassy in Paris. Morgan's parents died before he was 10, and the orphan boy was raised by a parental uncle who was emotionally cold. After a year at Heidelberg, he entered St. Thomas Medical School, London, and qualified as a doctor in 1897. He drew upon his experiences as an obstetrician in his first novel, Liza of Lambeth, written in 1897, and its success through Small encouraged him to abandon medicine. He traveled in Spain and Italy and in 1908 achieved a theatrical triumph, 4 plays running in London at once. That brought him financial security. In May 1917, Cyril Welcome and Maugham were married. The marriage was unhappy and the couple separated. During World War I, he also worked as a secret agent. After the war, he resumed his interpreted travels and in 1928 bought a villa on Cape Ferrate in the south of France, which became his permanent home. Maugham later lived in the French Riviera with his partner Gerald Haxton until Haxton's death in 1944. He next lived with Elan Searle until his own death in 1965 due to bad health. This great personality passed away, but his inspiration still inspires us.
Major contributions. Number 1. Footprints in the Jungle. The collection of story brilliantly captures the essence of colonial life. Number 2. Of human bondage. Struggle to find the meaning of life in a world that is cruel. Number 3. The Outstation. An entertaining story that comments on the human condition itself. Number 4. The Painted Wheel. The nature of love is one of the primary themes of the novel in The Painted Wheel. Number 5. The Rain. The falling of rain creates a beautiful symphony which is like sweet music. Number 6. The Salvator. The titular character Salvator in Somerset Maugham's story is an embodiment of a true congenial combination of love and affection that we count to be two primal qualities most predominant in his mental constitution. Number 7. In The Ant and the Grasshopper, we have the theme of justice, trust, fear, morality, embarrassment, happiness, and struggle. Number 8. The Moon and Sixpence novel is the desire of a man to fulfill his dream or destiny can conquer anything. Number 9. Cake and LA. Maugham exposes the misguided social snobbery whose frankness, honesty, and sexual freedom make her a target of conservative propriety. Number 10. The Magician is the theme of evil deftly woven into a story as memorable for its actions as for its astonishingly vivid set of characters.
Summary of the novel The Razor Edge. The Razor Edge, philosophical novel by William Somerset Maugham, published in 1944. The novel is considered is in large part with the search for the meaning of life and with the dichotomy between materialism and spirituality set in Chicago, Paris and India in the 1920s and 30s. It involves characters from sharply different worlds. The main focus on the story is on Larry Darrell, who has returned from service as an aviator in World War I, utterly rejecting his prior values. He is considered chiefly with discovering the meaning of human existence and eliminating evil in the world. To that end, he spends 5 years in India seeking but no finding answer. The Razor Edge was one of the first Western novels to propose non-Western solution to society ills. Its title comes from a passage in one of the Upanishads which constitute a class of Hindu sacred literature. The sharp edge of a razor is difficult to pass over, thus the wise say the path to civilization is hard.
Reviews of William Somerset Maugham by contemporaries of the same period.